Another type of bend you could experiment with is the cutoff bend. So that's very bluesy sounding, and usually you're gonna come across it with quarter tone, semitone bends mostly. Sometimes, you know, with whole tone bends as well. It depends on your phrasing. So what happens is you're gonna bend the note and you're gonna cut it off with your pick. Let's try on our familiar 7th fret here. I'm gonna do a whole tone bend for this. So I don't wanna hear the return. I wanna go up and then sort of stop the note there. So how am I gonna do that? I'm gonna just make sure that I rest my pick on the string, either, you know, from up or from down. So with a downstroke or an upstroke, it doesn't matter as long as you stop it. So that's me touching the string with my pick to stop it from ringing as soon as I reach the pitch that I want. And obviously, you're gonna release the bend anyway from the left hand. It doesn't make sense to leave it there. But you wanna make sure it's stopped ringing before that happens. Now let's do it on another note. So same for all the different intervals of bending, you just touch with your pick, either a downstroke or an upstroke, and then the left hand follows by releasing the note and you don't hear it.